Converting to fractions and decimals. We know that percent means the number of parts per 100 and can be represented as the number of shaded squares out of 100. This can be written as 34 and the percent symbol. We can also write 34% as a fraction. It is 34 out of 100, so 34 is the numerator at the top and 100 is the denominator at the bottom. The fraction is 34 hundredths, and we can write this as a decimal, 0.34. We have written 34 parts out of 100 as a fraction, decimal, and a percentage. We can also use a bar model to convert percentages and fractions. Here's a bar model. We have split it into 1 whole, 2 halves, and 10 tenths. I can label each of the tenths as 10%. 1 tenth is the same as 10 parts per 100, or 10%. If I look where 1 half is on the bar model, I can see it is the same as 5 lots of 10%, or 50%. Therefore, 1 half is the same as 50%. Sometimes we need to use other methods of changing fractions or decimals into percentages. We need to remember that percent means parts per 100. If there is a spelling test and Fred scores 12 out of 20, what percentage did he get right? On a grid, Fred's score would look like this. To work out the percentage, we need to change the denominator from 20 to 100. We know that we can change 20 to 100 by multiplying it by 5. Since we need an equivalent fraction to 12 over 20, we must multiply the numerator and the denominator by 5. We now know that 12 out of 20 is the same as 60 hundredths, or 60%.